Welcome to Employee Setup Training video. In this section, you will be entering all staff that are food handlers. Click on Employees section and then Staff Management. Now click the Add Staff buttons and enter the details of each staff member. You will need to first name, surname, give the employee an ID number, add date of birth, and their position within the venue. Click Active and click Submit. You will notice, once you hit Submit, you can add another staff member by one after another. But if you want to add the remaining information after entering a staff member, simply click on Employees and Staff Management again, and you will start to see a list of staff. Click on the Edit button, and in this section you can upload a photo or even take a photo from your phone or iPad. The certificates is the main item you need to add to each employee, whether it's a Do Food Safely certificate or the Food Supervisor certificate. To add a certificate, simply drag the document into the Upload Document section. To review the document, click on the orange View button, and the certificate will open to review.